Hello again. Let's look at setting up the forecasting in HubSpot via the settings tab initially, and then navigate into data management and scrolling down here to forecast. So what we're doing here is setting up the forecast tool in HubSpot. You won't see very much impact of setting this up. Once it's been done once, that's it. You'll probably not need to do it again. But you can see on this first setup screen, we're going to be working on the forecast amount as either a total amount, a weighted amount, or the forecast amount from an old way of working things out. We're going to set the forecast periods to quarterly or monthly, so it depends on the type of selling that you do. And then we can edit our forecast categories and customize the forecast category table. So that looks like this. These are the forecast categories that we can mention, we can get rid of, we can edit, or we can change if we want to do that. We can also set the forecast submission status indicator. So that shows us if the forecasts have not been set up for a while. Then going to the forecast pipeline itself, we'll see that if we set the forecast to automate, then the forecast will be automatically created by HubSpot based on these positions in the table. So anything within the sales pipeline that you have selected that sits within, in this case, closed lost, will not be forecasted. Anything that will be forecasted as pipeline will be if they're in the project identified, prospect identified, appointment scheduled, or qualified to buy. Anything that is forecast as best case is because the presentation has been scheduled. The ones you're going to commit to are where the decision maker has been brought in and the contract's been sent, and closed one obviously is closed one. So you can change these, you can add or take these away, so you can build the automatic forecasting in HubSpot to your own requirement. As I said, in combination with editing those forecast categories here, where you can build new ones or edit the way that these ones work. I'll just move my head. You can see here, this is where you can edit them or get rid of them. And then actually fine-tuning the way the table itself works. Sorry, we appear to have jumped off forecast. Editing the way the pipeline itself works in terms of adding which part of the forecast table to each section of the forecast. Okay, I hope that makes sense. Very straightforward. Very useful tool in HubSpot as well.